Hello fans, welcome to Gossip Big TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Gossip Big TV. God bless you. My lovely fans, something is eating IV. Something they eat IV up for this marriage. Una know say many times now when she don't come outside, they beat around the bush. So the people come they tell and say, if anything is wrong, tell us. Say it out, voice it out. She know they talk. She go they beat around the bush. She go they talk, they try to they explain, they talk, waiting we not understand. So today, the real wife, or the first wife, the ex-wife, the ex-wife of P-Square, Paul, when the be say she based for Obodo Yibo, una know say na Obodo Yibo she dey stay with her children after she divorced with Paul. As they do the divorce, now the woman pack herself, package her children, now all of them travel out of Nigeria and they relocated to America. Since she has been in America, since then she has been in America. Now there she did, she can't go school. She can't graduate. I think graduate with a designer something. She can't graduate. She dey mingle with friends. She dey build up her life. Like this woman changed totally. You see this Anita, Paul P-Square, ex-wife. She was not like this when she was married. The moment she left that marriage, she upgraded her life. She built herself. And there is one sweetest thing about this woman. She have a good soul. Good soul. Her children, they go IV. Her children, they go see Ifoma. Her children, they go Ifoma house. Then they go see the present wife of Paul right now. Then they even they stay there. She no get problem. She no they stop her children. So, since then, this woman changed her lifestyle. Like the way the woman say upgrade is still shocking. And this woman have a good heart also. This woman, her children, they go see Ifoma. Then they go their papa's. Then they spend 2 days, spend 3 days. Even when she know, say this her ex-husband don't put woman for us. Be that she not get bad mind. She know they think, say, person fit still do her own bad. She leave her children to be free with Ifoma. And ever since this divorce take place, Anita never come out one day. Come talk. This is what happened though. This is what my husband did though. This is what happened. No. Now waiting, she just suffer close her mouth, divorce her husband and carry her baggages. She just suffer carry her baggages come out without not explaining to anybody. And she get fans for social media. She no even come social media say, okay, let me tell my fans what is happening. No, she no even talk. Now so this woman take come out. Till today, as I dey talk to her, this woman no come outside, come explain anything to anybody about her marriage. This, she no explain anything give anybody. Now so the woman take go base for America. The America where she go, like the way this woman take upgrade her life, is a shock to many people. Like this woman is just moving from success to success. Meanwhile, while she was married, not that the opportunity was not there, but she was not able to meet her goals. She was not able to get her dreams. But the moment she walked out of this marriage, she started giving us things which she not give us for that marriage. Good things. Some people go leave their marriage. Some people go leave their marriage now. The thing where they'll come, they show now boyfriend, they don't start another relationship. They are there with the boyfriend, they go party. No, we never see her for Anita. Anita is a very responsible woman. If you find me Edochie part 2, just look for Anita. Now she be me Edochie part 2. This woman so responsible, so good heart. She just dey mind her business they go. So today she posted on her page. Anita come post how she take meet great designers like CEO, women of integrity, women with great position for America there. How they meet up in this dinner. Now so she come post the video. Anita with CEO designers of America. Great women with great position. Hi, my people. Not be small thing o. As she come post am, na P-Square wife, present wife, P-Square Paul, present wife, Ifeoma. So she come go under Anita post. She come write comment for there. She come write, she say, what a great and strong woman. I love your vibes. My people, na so people come rush that place. So before you know, if you don't delete message. Before you know, if you don't delete message, she remove the message quick. Because the way people take come for her. You know one thing with this second wife, when they enter house, they want always make as if the first wife did not do her best. Now for Ife to go right for Anita page, they tell Anita, say, you are a great and strong woman. That means there is fire on the mountain. That means something that they bite her for inside house. Because she has never go there to write anything on her comments. So this comment wey she write make a lot of people come dey talk say, is it that there is something wrong inside the house? Is it that her eyes don't finally clear? She is now trying to make friend with the first wife to ask her, say, madam, how did you survive it? How did you go about this marriage? Remember, marriage is not an easy task. If you won't do na me always right, it no go work. Marriage is something that two people must understand. One must calm down sometimes, the other one still calm down sometimes. Marriage is a very difficult thing. But the most important thing is understanding. But the way una Ife be like say he or her own, no be wetin she expect, she come dey see. Be like say hand don dey touch am, not beat, not gbas o. But it be like say she don dey see some kind things wey she no plan before she enter that marriage. Because when she entered the marriage, it was just she and Paul P-Square. Now just two of them, now they together. Then Paul P-Square was still healing from his divorce. So that time, that man needs somebody to lean on, somebody to help him. Now, no say women, there are people that can go through heartbreak, go through everything, and women can heal on their own. Men can never heal on their own. Very difficult. Out of 100, just five men. Now you go say, this woman break my heart, make I stand, I go heal. Most of them are woman. Another woman, now they say they heal. Once you break their heart, they'll carry another one. They'll put in another woman for his house. They know they waste time. So during that time, when their lovey was lovey, the man can promise you heaven and earth. He was going through divorce break that time. But now, if you look Paul P-Square, you see and say, the man don't balance back. He don't stand on his feet. So right now, those plans, those things, when the former plan say, now I should go see. All those plans where if he plan, thinking that the whole thing will be rosy, she don't surprise, no be so it can be. That time that they go holiday, 12 them together. Anywhere where they go, they always together. But now, space don't they day. Be like say she don't understand, say, no woman will wake up and want to leave a marriage. They say rat not they run for afternoon for nothing. There must be something chasing him. So if he don't finally see the thing where they chase rat, they make rat run, come for us. She don't know how to express herself. She don't know how to talk out because I write up these days they shock us. Now she can't go comment. The very first time she commented on this woman page. Now so she quickly go delete her. She quickly go delete her because if not, I for sure now she don't quickly delete her. The way our people they Russian. No say Nigeria people they know they forgive person because most people say she was already in the relationship, in the marriage before the marriage scatter. Why if he tell us say the marriage just scatter before she know her husband? So we can never hit our chest and say no, she was not in the marriage or she was in the marriage. So those people will believe say now she scatter and need her marriage. People will believe because me I not believe. I don't know whether she was there or she was not there. So people will believe the moment they saw her and Anita fans, because Anita still gets her own fans, the moment they saw her, they attack her. She have to delete that message. That message now is ringing bells. That means Ife is not happy in this marriage anymore. There is something that is eating Ife up, which she never feel open up. She's just beating around the bush and going to write a comment on Anita page says it all. My people no be smart in the happen. No. My lovely fans, the woman wey comot for marriage, she's always smiling. She's always happy. She's always giving us vibe. Person wey say he want to do the second wife. The woman wey say na she no pass. Na she sabi keep the man. Na him sabi hold man down. Every Eke market day, now she dey come dey write different things. Now she look like somebody that is unhappy. She be like say her eyes don dey see some shege. Because this one wey she no dey fit dey talk. Like she's just there. Now no dey see wetin she dey write. Now no dey see her write up. Build yourself, oh. Don't think that you marry a rich man, you will make you rich. Build yourself, oh. This is a man that have 3 children before you come, madam. You think say P-Square poor go let the children suffer the way Mr. Ibu let the children suffer? Now wetin most women they think before they enter the house. Because they believe say if they enter, they will come take over the man property, they will come be madam. But not be everybody. Not be everybody. You see Paul is the last person you want to play that game with. You see Paul. Now the last person who you want to play that game with. When it comes to property and all those things, Paul is very wise. He chichi not go fall for woman hand. In the sense of maybe a woman coming into his life because they found him rich and they won't come collect the property. Not be Paul, oh. Una make mistake. Paul high open well. So it be like say wetin if you plan go there, you not see am. Thinking that the way the man just dey love her that period, the man is ready to give him his word. Which word? What happened to Andre? What happened to wetin they call the twins? What happened to them? This man get 3 children when he love to the core. It's not like you way abandon you know. When they carry a salary, they give Juju Ekwesu. No, that's not Paul. Paul is taking care. Paul of P-Square is taking good care of his children. His children are schooling in America. Imagine from Nigeria, they send money go train children for America. It's not a day job. It's not a day job. So all these things are what she saw before she decided to be the wife. So she not feel complain now. This whole thing, they eat her up. They eat her up. And she don't begin to see waiting first wife see for inside marriage. Yeah, she don't see the see her. For she to comment on the first wife page tells you a lot. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.